Honey, don't worry. I got the new tires, and it was only $600. What the fuck?
Hey, buddy, got $5?
Those were $600 fucking dollars.
Really? Cool.
What the fuck do you want me to do with this?
I want $600.
There's nothing I can do with it. It's fucking popped. It looks like shit. It looks like someone took a knife to it.
Either give me the $600 for this, or I'm gonna break some shit.
All right, I ain't giving you nothing. Get out.
Can you cut the shit?
What the fuck? I thought I told you to mop the floor.
He's fucking stealing.
Bullshit!
Shit!
You're fired.
That's my fucking cereal!
Hey, that's my bike!
Fuck you! I'm selling this shit for peanuts!